This small batch of cornbread dressing is a traditional Southern staple for the holidays and any time of the year. It's buttery and moist, perfectly seasoned, and incredibly delicious. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. For this recipe, we're using cornbread made with our mini cornbread recipe that you can find in the link below. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium-sized skillet over medium heat. Add 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, and 1/4 cup of chopped celery, and cook until the vegetables have softened, stirring occasionally for about 3 minutes. Add 1 clove of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dried sage, and 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning to the onion mixture, and cook for 30 seconds, stirring frequently. Remove the pan from the heat and set it aside. Crumble the cornbread into a large bowl and then add a slice of stale or toasted white or wheat bread, tearing it into small pieces, and set it aside. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 3/4 cup of low-sodium chicken broth, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Then add the onion mixture to the bowl. Pour the liquid ingredients into the bowl with the cornbread and stir. The mixture should be very moist. Transfer to a buttered 5 by 7 inch baking dish. You can also use a 6 by 6 inch square or a 7 inch round baking dish. Cut 1 tablespoon of butter into small pieces and scatter the butter over the top of the dressing. Bake for 30 minutes or until the top is lightly golden. Enjoy warm. Please be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.